Welcome guys. So this video, let's keep solving some interesting mathematical question, and find the maximum of this function. Okay, so the function is this. So before I start, please leave a comment. You can leave I like this video, and subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Okay, and this is my channel just for some advertisement. Okay, so this function is the square root of x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 13 and minus this, right? So usually faced about this square root of problem, what you should come into your mind is the distance. So usually, okay, so if you are smart, then you might use a calculus, right? But we don't, right? So usually for the square root function, if you use a calculus, the computation will be tedious. So the idea is that you need to think the distance, right? Because this distance, Euclidean distance, contains some square. So you need to change this problem f of x, change f of x as the distance, as the distance changing, as a distance function, right? So let's focus on this part. So the first part is this. So what I want to write, right? My instinct tell me that I should write as this. Right, so I can write as x squared minus 1 squared plus x minus 0 squared. Right, so this is this is this. Okay, and ideally is that we hope to write the first part as the same thing as the second part, right? So this is just some instinct, and we need to try. Okay, so let's focus on the second part. Alright, so in order to do this, what I think is that what I hope to think is that I want to write x minus a squared plus plus x squared minus b squared. I hope to write yes, right? So you think you see this, you get a squared plus b squared, right? Should be equal to 13, and your mathematical instinct tell you that there should be 4 plus 9. Okay, and you can try, and what your result will be, I think should be, you see this is minus 3, right? So my negative 3 can be viewed as minus negative 4 plus 1, right? So this term, right? This term should be 2, right? Because it contains x to the fourth plus 4x squared plus 4, right? And I can view as 3, right? So this is x squared plus 6x plus 9, right? So you see, combine these two, you get this. Okay. So amazingly, f of x can be written as let's say x minus 3 squared plus x squared minus 2 squared minus x minus 0 squared x squared minus 1 squared. Okay, so now we have a beautiful picture. So let's see. Suppose we have xy plane. Let's maybe do this. Now everybody see what I'm saying, right? X. And let's say I let y equals to x squared, right? So our f of x will become x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared minus x minus z squared squared plus y minus 1 squared. So we have a let's do some coordinates. So we have a point equals 3, 2. Let's call it A. And this is 0, 1. Here, use green color. 0, 1. Let's call it B. And we have a yellow curve. Basically, it's the y equals x squared. So it looks like this. Sorry. Right? And so our answer is some point P, which this is A and B, right? So PA minus BB. Okay. Okay, so everybody knows what you knows, right? What you knows is what our goal is to find a maximum, right? So your idea knows what by your elementary school, right? So you have a triangle. So you have a triangle, right? So let's say the ABC, right? And you know that A minus B, the absolute of value of A minus B should be less or equal to C, right? So the maximum of PA minus BB should be less than or equal to AB, right? So the answer will be 3 minus 0 squared plus 2 minus 1 0 squared. So the answer will be square root of 10. Okay. And but you might think, this is the answer, right? But how can you find the exact coordinates of. Okay, so the next is that how to find the coordinate. It's how to actually find the coordinate of x, right? And this is very easy, so I should leave exercise. But you can just see that if you pick P to here, then it should be very easy to see that this P is what you need to. So you can set up a line equation and intersect with this parabola, and you get what is the point, right? But I think how to find the coordinate of x is a trivial question, so I leave as you guys exercise just for fun. Okay, so the answer will be the square root of 10. Okay, see you guys in the next videos.